Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my brothers and sisters? This is Crypto PNL, and I'm going to talk about BTC today. I hope you guys are doing good, and I hope you are having wonderful time. Well, BTC, and with that candle, BTC bulls are showing that we mean business. जब इस तरह की वो कैंडल बनती है, so business is coming. Like they are showing that they want to, like ऐसी candle, they want to be a part of the rally or they want to start a new rally. A problem क्या है? Sometimes you cannot get the move in. You don't get into the move. Sometimes that happens. Yes, that happens. But as a trader, I have to secure my risk. So, what are the most possible areas where we can get enter into that BTC area, BTC trade or BTC के साथ जितने भी comparatively coins हैं. So let's go to the daily and see what is going on here. Well, I was expecting this high is going to hold the price, and there are two possibilities which I'm seeing here. One thing is that BTC is holding wonderfully well, and this is very powerful pattern. Price can easily go towards this one. So what I think, the price can up thrust a little, and then it can come back probably, and then it can something like this. This is what I expect, or something like this or this. But what I expect from the market, if market is not going to give you another chance and they decided that we have enough here, so we're not going to come back into it. So this is another story. This is another thing. Then we have to see if there anything we can do, because this looks very nice. It is not pumping because of the weekend, and there is a CME and the gap, and you know that. And this is the trend line that we should draw and see what it is doing here. So I'm touching all the highs. So this is where the area. So this cute little candle, this low of this candle, this is not yet tested, and this is my order block. Why it's not my order block? Because this candle resulted into that low, because इस candle ने ये low break किया था. Now we are back above the low. So I think this is very tricky point, because if that low, if we take out that low, then probably we're not gonna come down here. Like ऐसे भी हो सकता है, we go up and we hold that low that is here or that high, and then we go up. So but you cannot समझने वाली बात ये है, you cannot get into a trade from here. Trust me, this is not the way I trade. और वो बंदा जिसको रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के बारे में नहीं आइडिया, he should not trade that way from there. Yes, इधर एक opportunity है which I like to show you, and that's the opportunity when price ने इन lows की liquidity ली है and then it went up. So this is sort of manipulation. Okay, जब प्राइस लो को मैनिपुलेट करती है और उसको एकदम ऊपर चली जाती है, this is manipulation. So this is the strength. Now what you can do, or what I'm going to do as a trader, I'm going to see if we can break the highs. If we break the highs, if we break it, then any retest of this area is my buy, because this is where I'm going to put the stop. Because जो लोग इस लो को manipulate किया है और इस लो को manipulate किया है, they are not going to let the price come down again here before finishing the move, which I think is probably this area, which is this area which I'm seeing here, because there is a lot of inefficiency here, a big block of inefficiency left in the market, which is yet to be filled and which is about to get filled. Probably they get filled and then it come down, and there is enough inefficiency here in this area which might get filled or may get filled 50%. Sometimes inefficiencies get filled but 50%. Like here, if you see inefficiency get filled here, got filled again here, but this is the very pretty beautiful gap. So probably we will see some, but this is the first impulsive move. So possible, this is possible. So this is what I think. And today weekly close we have, and lots of things we are seeing here, which is looking very strong in my opinion. Lots of things. The things that I'm seeing here is this structure. This is kind of a hit and run structure, or price stops, and this is इस तरह का structure पहले भी बहुत दफा बना चुका है BTC. I show you where it is. देखिए जैसे कि ये था, प्राइस ने एक बड़ी कैंडल से स्ट्रक्चर को ब्रेक किया, एंड देन लाइक दिस kind of. इतना clean नहीं है, लेकिन I would like to see a clean one. Yeah, this is the clean one. Now this is the clean one. See, price went up, price ने यहाँ कुछ and then go up. So that kind of a thing that can happen, और price हमसे दूर हो जाए. It can happen. And funding बहुत ideal है. Lots of things is with Bitcoin, and we are seeing some beautiful moves up there. यहाँ BTC ने देखें कुछ ऐसा किया था, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, लेकिन we have to see, because कल मैंने आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बताई थी कि हम जिस स्पीड से ऊपर जा रहे हैं उस स्पीड से तो हम बहुत बड़े टारगेट की तरफ जा रहे हैं. तो आई स्टिल बिलीव कि BTC टेक आउट दिस हाई, इस हाई को ले ले और इस हाई के करीब चला जाए और इधर से रिजेक्ट होके if it holds this region, then we are going to hit 60K this month. ये भी मैं आपको बता दूं. We are going to challenge this area now. हम इस एरिया को चैलेंज करेंगे फिर. And it is going to be a funny battle, that because this area is the block, and yes, 56 and 60, this area, and then we will challenge 60K. So we can easily go above 60K. This is what I believe, and this is what I'm looking at. Because मैंने तो इन एरियाज में एक्यूमुलेशन की है, 33 रेंज में. मेरे पुराने बाइज 29 रेंज में हैं. So I have a good buy. Yes, I took a beautiful trade of ETH on ETH, and I'm still expecting ETH might give me another chance. अब बहुत सारे coin. Now talk about AVAX. This is the coin I'm looking at, and I think this is the coin that can run almost 100% or 200% or 100% or whatever. Because this chart is beautiful. This chart is this chart has no. But the thing that which I like about this chart, this volume. If you can see the volume here, which is pretty unusual. Why there is so volume traded here? So, and price उधर की उधर ही खड़ी है. Like the range कितनी है? 34 to almost चलें आप कह लें 100%, but this volume is too much. In my opinion, there is something about this, and the way the price is shaping up. And if you draw a curve here, look at the curve. It is sort of looking parabolic in nature, in my personal opinion. Like, अगर मैं इसको सही draw करूँ, let me draw it again. And yeah, it is getting like, आप खुद देखें कि price like इस तरह, this is getting pretty parabolic in nature. I believe it is just in the move of, this is kind of a second base of a parabola. This is. Now we have this, sorry, I think this is the second base, and we are creating a move to the upside, in my opinion. I show you parabolic move, parabolic move trading. Something like this. See, it is creating a new base, in my personal opinion. The AVAX is creating a new base, something like this, and I am seeing a lot of good news from this asset. This is the previous all-time high, which been triggered in February. So do you think? So do you think if it triggered? So do you think if it triggered that high in February and break that high, and it is just holding this level? I'm telling you what I feel like. If being a journal, being a trader, I think it is making a new base here, like new base. If you understand my point, like this is the high, and it is testing it, and it is confirming it that this is the base. So, in my opinion, this base being made and this whole gap is going to be the next rally, I think, in my opinion. So it is going to get almost $110, in my opinion. So 110, I am in that asset. Last night it dumped, and it dumped into my bid area. This is where I wanted to bid. I wanted to bid in this range. This is where I bought it. And now I don't mind if it come back to here, because I'm longing it in a spot position, and I'm looking to target above 100 and 110. So, and this is what I think, and I still think that it is giving me an impression of a parabolic move in making. Yeah, yeah, parabolic move like this. Yeah, see, if you see that, can you see that? How beautiful it looks. It is just creeping up. I'm not shilling this project actually. I'm a chart. What do you say? I'm a chartist. So I prefer showing you what I see in the charts and the volume. I mean, use your own knowledge and look at the volume here. This volume is pretty strange and pretty decent, in my opinion. And there is something they're cooking here. I don't know what they're cooking. They're cooking pakoras or jalebi or chicken biryani or whatever they're cooking, but they wants to pump. And the best thing about it, second important thing, which I believe, the market is turning bullish. So why am I not going to be bullish on projects that are strong? One more thing, Doge. I think Doge is one of those assets that you should not miss. If you want to be in Doge, then this is the area where you should buy Doge. Below 20 cents, Doge is cheap now, in my personal opinion. So look for Doge around these level and buy it, because I have accumulated lots of Doge here in previous range, previous zone, and I have not sold it anything. Yeah, I sold some here, but I think this is an ideal. If this move is the move that we were looking for, yeah, this is the perfect time, my brothers. Don't miss it. If you're Doge max, if you're dodgy, what I say, if you're a Doge maximalist, then don't miss Doge here. I'm not seeing Doge going down from here. I mean, even if it goes down, like look at the weekly chart. Oh boy, they are slowly putting money into Doge. That's the only place now Doge has to resist. This is 26 cents. The moment it breaks above 26 cents, I'll go all in Doge. Because what I see from Doge, if you see here, I mean, I show you, this is a beautiful compression zone. If you see, can you see that? A compression zone. The price is compressing in a cage, in something like a tiger wants to get out. And if that tiger gets out of that range, I think we are in for a fantastic rally. And I'm up for Doge. Yes, I'm up for Doge, and I'm watching it closely. And the best thing you can do, the best thing, in my opinion, is that when price breaks the high, then you have to wait for the low, not a local low, interim low. You got to look for the big low, and then you got in. Like here, every time, इस तरह के coins, like this is where you got to get in. This is the point. price, this is the point we get in. This is the point. Now what is happening again here? The price is getting back into the range of low. Like ये हमने high break किया and we are back into the low range and we are holding the previous low. So अगर जो बंदे इसको मूव कर रहे हैं, they're not going to let this low to be मतलब इन lows को sweep नहीं होने देंगे आप. So they are putting higher lows. Now what we need, we have a low, and then we have a higher. We break the previous low, previous high, higher high. This is a new high, and we need a higher low. So we are in the move, my brothers. We are on the move. So don't sit on Doge. I think Doge is not looking bad, in my personal opinion. This is the line that Doge is going to break it in style. If BTC breaks it, we're going to see lots of fireworks. Oh my God, the Doge has enough room to run up. What is ETH is doing? Oof, ETH has enough room to run up. All these assets has enough room to run. What I'm trying to tell, why I'm cautious here. We are at resistance, for example. Look at this, and we are quite overbought here. So my point, which I'm trying to put it here, is that even if we are even if we are bullish here, even this area with overbought RSI, I still think we need more strength. We will break it, and it looks like price wants to break it. Yes, price wants to break it, and I think if we count this space, I think there is a move of 18% in making. Yeah, 56,000. If that breaks it, the price will take it to 56,000, and it is possible. But where we going to buy? Either way, we're going to buy at this level, at these level, or if we break, we have to buy at these levels. So any of these levels, we have to buy. Okay, and I'll update you with it. So this is what I think. This is what I keep an eye on. AVAX, keep an eye on Doge, BTC, ETH, and all the very best.